This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 underwent a refurbishment that included replacing the 396 Ci V8 engine, repainting it in vibrant turquoise, and reupholstering the interior in crisp white. It features a 4-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt rear end, Willwood power front disc brakes, power steering, and a coil spring suspension with a front sway bar. It rides on polished 16-inch American racing wheels with 225/50 Achilles tires, giving it a confident stance. Acquired by the seller in 2023, it's offered with a clean California title. Originally finished in artesian turquoise, the car retains its period-correct look with a careful repaint. Highlights include faux hood vents, quad headlights, SS badging, and chrome bumpers. Power steering, Willwood brakes, and upgraded suspension enhance both comfort and handling, making this Chevelle SS 396 a stunning and capable classic. Inside, the cabin was originally trimmed in black, but it was reupholstered during the restoration in elegant white vinyl, with black carpeting and a matching black dashboard. The front bucket seats are divided by a floor-mounted center console, and the interior also features front and rear seat belts, manual crank windows, a heater for cooler days, a push-button AM radio for a touch of vintage entertainment, and a lighted glove box. A wood-rimmed steering wheel adds a sporty touch and frames a horizontal 120 miles per hour speedometer, which is flanked by combination gauges displaying fuel level, battery status, coolant temperature, and oil pressure. A tachometer is mounted below the dashboard to keep track of engine revs. The 5-digit odometer currently shows 97,000 miles, with approximately 300 miles added under the seller's ownership. However, the true mileage is unknown. The seller does note that the speedometer cable needs replacement. Under the hood lies the heart of this Chevelle, a replacement 396 cubic inch V8 engine installed under previous ownership. The big block is equipped with a Holley intake manifold, a 4-barrel carburetor, chrome valve covers, and exhaust headers, providing the car with a deep, throaty rumble and plenty of raw power. Whether idling or roaring at full throttle, the sound and performance of this 396 Ci V8 are pure muscle car magic. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging and classic driving experience. Out back, a stout 12-bolt rear end ensures durability and helps put the power to the pavement. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser, a showpiece, or a muscle car to drive and enjoy, this beautifully restored 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 stands out with its impressive combination of power, style, and history.
Rev it! That's it. That's it. Give it one strong rev. One strong rev.